everyone, for this video, I'm going to show some apps or games related to mathematics that has numbers, patterns, symbols, logic, sequence, and etc. that you can download on your App Store and Play Store. So, what are you waiting for? These are the apps that I can recommend to all of you. First, 2048 Charm. Second, Sudoku, that a lot of people know this game. Third, Math Bingo, the easiest one. Fourth, Nonogram, and the last two apps were my favorite, which are Uno Cards and Figurites. 2048 Charm. When two equal tiles collide, they combine to give you one greater tile that displays their sum. The more you do this, obviously, the higher the tiles get. And the more crowded the board becomes, your objective is to reach 2048 before the board fills. How to play this game? First, swipe the screen to move tiles left, right, up, and down. Second, when two tiles with the same number touch, they merge into one. Third, every swipe, a new tile will randomly appear in an empty spot on the board with a value of either 2 or 4. Fourth, slide the tiles to merge them. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, and so on and so on. When 2048 tile is created, you will win. Lastly, play this game 2048 game and have fun. Sudoku. Sudoku is played on a grid of 9 by 9 spaces. Within the rows and columns are 9 squares, or made up of 3 by 3 spaces. Each row, column, and square, or 9 spaces each, needs to be filled out with the numbers 1 to 9, without repeating any numbers within the row, column, or square. How to play Sudoku? First, know the Sudoku grid. Every Sudoku puzzle involves a 9 by 9 grid of squares subdivided into 3 by 3 boxes. Second, know the rules of Sudoku. Sudoku is a puzzle based on a small number of very simple rules. In short, there is no repeating numbers from 1 to 9 in a rows, columns, and squares. Third, find squares that can only be one number. When you start a new Sudoku puzzle, some squares will already be filled with numbers. Fourth, use the numbers you fill in to reveal more squares. As you start filling in squares that can only be one number, you'll be adding more numbers to the grid, which start to help lock in additional numbers to additional squares. And lastly, repeat until you've solved the puzzle. Math Bingo. Math Bingo is a simple-to-use math tool for practicing what kids already know, and is great for users ages 6 and up. The app allows students to practice addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division while playing bingo. They can practice the operations separately or try all four together. It works to improve their strategy skills while they solve problems. How to play Math Bingo. The object of Math Bingo is to get a pattern of 5 bingo bags in a row by correctly answering math problems. Or just like in a regular bingo, you'll click the numbers on your card as the game processes. But instead of calling out numbers, we'll be giving you fun math problems. Second, math problems are presented at the top of the game screen. And third, feedback is presented at the bottom of the game screen. And lastly, have fun while playing this game. Nonogram. Nonogram is a game to solve logic number puzzles by matching blank cells and numbers at the side of the grid to reveal the hidden pixel picture. You can discover a world of over 4,000 amazing beautiful images with different themes. This is the first nonogram game where you can solve the puzzle and play jigsaw at the same time. How to play nonogram. First, a puzzle is solved by coloring squares. Switch the toggle into coloring mode. Second, numbers are clues that show how many squares you have to paint. Third, every number represents a sequence. With one square already filled, there is only one solution left. Fourth, if there is more than one number, there must be at least one blank square between each sequence. Fifth, order is important too. The order for the colored squares is the same as the order in which the numbers appear. Sixth, let's focus on the columns. Numbers show the same squares. Switch to cross mode. And lastly, know there is only one possible solution left. Switch the toggle and finish the puzzle. Figure-its. Figure-its is all about answering the clues to break the substitution code and reveal a code or interesting fact. A figure-it is a puzzle that, when completed, will reveal a code written onto solution dashes. Figure-its isn't just a logic puzzle or smart game. It's a kind of cross-logic and word game that will blow your mind. Solving every level of this game on your own will train your brain and also test your IQ. Your duty here must decrypt the message and decipher the cryptogram. How to play figure-its. First, look at the green section. Second, fill in as many words in the word column as you can using the definitions. Third, tap the first word. Fourth, definitions can be a missing part of a phrase, a question, a description, or a synonym. Fifth, solved letters will transfer to the solution dashes according to matching numbers. 6. Each letter is encrypted with a unique digit so that you will guess the words easier. And lastly, it is not necessary to know all the definitions. Just use any possible clues to guess the solution. Uno. Uno is a multiplayer card game in which the objective is to be the first player to get rid of all the cards. Each player is dealt 7 cards and players take turn drawing cards from the deck. How to play Uno? First, just like the regular Uno cards, you'll choose what card you put down. But the difference here is 2v2. You might invite some of your friends or the Uno app must choose who's your teammate. Second, the rules of this game is the same with the regular Uno cards. And third, however, there are 2 versions of the online color card Uno game is based on the winning logic. In each match, there is the money to be won and the winner takes it all. In some 4 players Uno games, players are awarded based on their ranks which is assigned to the Uno cards they hold. So playing Uno online multiplayer games and not winning can also be rewarding. And that's for today's video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye!